Greetings, everybody. You don't know who it is, GanjaGod, and we're there. So, welcome to the GanjaGod Show. And we're there in Old Harbour right now, and you know the thing that we always highlight local businesses because we have to big up the family same way. So, Father, introduce yourself.
My name is Star Paul, So right at Kane store. I sell some jewelry like stainless earring and chain and them thing there. Understand ring and them something. Understand me? Love and support me.
Respect. So, people, so, Father, tell them why you do your thing.
Well, I'm had them thing to me that disabled youth and the only thing I really can really do for travel around and move fast of a lift up and carry on more than walk my one for that heavier stuff. You understand me? Some of the brothers sell these more than anything else.
Yeah, man, highlight yourself, Father. Hear the people, them.
Well, I am the artist saying named Star Paul saying, when I listen to this one for all youth, saying, get to youth, put down the war and crime. But get to youth, no bother with the gun or knife. I'm a no money this week, Lord. Not the shoes on my feet. I'm a not go rob or thief. I say a prayer a day to just keep that wicked vibes away. Oh yeah, get to youth, put down the war and crime. Because I'm living in a 2x4 with nowhere to walk around. While the rich man, I saw him live in a castle all alone. But me say, get to youth, put down the war and crime. Because I'm working in the boiling sun for a payday that never run. Bossman, drive by wearing their plastic smile. But me say, get to youth, put down the war and crime. Star Paul.
Oh, you mean people on the know so on for come support the king, right? Yeah, so my already go buy mine because the man bless me. Come buy him two ring them people, top quality material people. You know the best man. Right, yeah, so up, up.
Alright, thanks, yeah.
You know, so I will come support the
Yeah,
thing, father.
yeah,
We
yeah,
see you
yeah,
again, because
yeah.
I want more rings, brother.
Yeah, man, make up something.
Yeah, man, yeah.
Come back and try and send back.
Yeah, man, I'll buy more rings, because I like the style.
Yeah, man, respect.
Oh.
Yeah, alright.
Fit, your knees not bad. Love when you wind up your waist like that.